So we're going to the fresh seafood market in Chะอำ. Taking a walk along the beach. It's like a 30-minute walk from my hotel, so just gonna walk along the beach, check it out. I think Thais come down here, spend some time, hang out, get away from big city life from Bangkok or wherever they come from. Looks sick. Chะอำis pretty nice. I'll let you know how I go with the seafood market. Peace. We got like a live seafood stand here. This is before we even hit the market. Some cockles. There's bugs. Fresh fish. What's the order? Pretty sick. Yeah, we haven't even hit the market yet, so looking forward to some fresh seafood, man. It's supposed to be so dope. I'm gonna get one of those giant prawns. I like. Yeah, look, check it out. Just like little stalls along the beach. Super chill, like very quaint, very quaint. Man's got the jet ski. Fanging it. Sick. Do some horse down the beach. Little bean bags and such. Alright, so one thing I noticed about this part of Thailand is, especially Chะอำ, there's like Germans and there's Thai people. There's like not that many English, not that many young English, but there's bare older German people, whether they live here, whether they just come here and chill. But it's so bizarre. Like I just walked past a restaurant then and they had pork knuckle special in Thai at a Thai restaurant, and then right next to that would be like pad see or some pad kapao or something. I don't know, it's crazy. How sick is this? Looks like a makeshift boxing bag. Get a bit of training in. Bit of dirt pit Muay Thai. Away! How sick are these Thai trucks? So fresh. Good chrome. Man's walking horse and Sawasdee krab. Going down to the beach. Yeah, so sick. Just got down to the fish market. It's like 10 o'clock, so I'm obviously way too late, but you can still see there's still plenty of stuff here. Sawasdee krab. Obviously all the good stuff's been picked already. Like, if you were smart, you'd come here early in the morning, but that's all good. Just come check it out. Might grab a bite to eat. Check out the fishing boats. Love, they've got like characters on the side of the boat. Must be like a Lucky Charm sort of thing. What's up, puppies? You're all good. You're all good. Just saying what's up. I love the Thai street dogs here. Hey, they're so good. They're kind of like cats. They're like, I'll hang with you if you give me some food, but otherwise you can fuck off. But yeah, there's so many of them, but they just chill out, just hang out with their mates, sleep around. They know where their food is. Sick. Alright, so we're just getting to the end of the fishing pier. It's a little bit of disrepair. It's alright, we're good. Right at the end of the fishing pier, there's 2 squid statues. So, pretty far walk, looks like. Ooh. Obviously not a huge tourist attraction over here, but worth coming and checking out. Anything?
Wait.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
good.
Okay.
Wait, like I've got the shirt off because I'm hot and I don't want to sweat through my thing, but you know what I was saying about fucking crazy German tourists? Well, check this dude out. Hello.
Hello, morning.
All right, dog. You do you, bro. You do you. Man, looks like a leather handbag. Jeez. Alright, so I'm definitely like way too late to get anything really, really good, but I'm gonna try buy some stuff from here and see if they can cook it for me. Let's have a go. Sawasdee krap. If I buy, and then you can cook for me to eat?
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Yeah? Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So I just pick what I want. Alright, we're gonna go for some of these prawns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prawns. Scallop. 4 scallop. And let's do some squid. What is this? Holy shit. Cuttlefish. Look at the size of that. Whole cuttlefish. My days. Prawn, squid, scallop. We've got horseshoe crab. I'm not game for the horseshoe crab. It looks disgusting. Got blue swimmers here. Sawasdee krap. Okay. Come on, crab.
Scallops. 4 little scallops. Looks like it's based in some type of butter or something. Oh, this chili sauce is banging. Honestly, the dipping sauce is so good. It's like lemongrass, chili, fish sauce, bit of ginger, lime. It's so tart. With the squid, ooh.
Alright guys, so just finished eating. 6 prawns, 2 squid, 4 scallops, cost me 247 baht. I gave it 300 because of the trouble and they were super nice, but 300 bahts, like 5, 10, like 15 bucks for all that seafood. That would cost you like $70 if you went to Kalis, but yeah. How good. Cha'am fishing market. Do it. Just come earlier because it's a bit quiet. Hear no evil, see no evil pose, which is super unique. I haven't seen one like that before. Went to Burma and saw a few wats there and a few different temples and stuff like that, but I've never really seen an effigy like that. Yeah, pretty cool. Just walking back from the fish market, so pretty interesting stuff you see just wandering around, man.